This is the Real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with a really difficult question here. This question is mainly so difficult because the original sentence, which is the correct one, sounds bad. In fact, no one would probably write this sentence this way if they wanted to communicate well, but unfortunately it doesn't have any grammar errors, so that's going to end up being the correct answer. So the only way to really do this well is to find errors in the others. So let's look for some of those. In the second answer choice, necessary in having access is wrong because it's a wrong idiom. You can spot that this is an idiom because the word in is a preposition, and you'll notice the word in is not in the original. So we've added a new preposition. That's a signal for idioms. Again, in the third answer choice, there is a need of. This should be there is a need for. That's an idiom issue as well. Again, you can tell because it's a preposition. This right here, this for, also a preposition, should probably be a because. This is not a for, you could say is an incorrect idiom, but really it's because is a conjunction. So you could say this is an improper conjunction. In the fourth answer choice, we have the conjunction and, which is used somewhat correctly, although what it creates is two clauses. We have clause 1, and it says and, then we have clause 2, and the sentence never actually links clause 1 and clause 2. It says, we have a need for well-funded healthcare programs, and separately, in a totally unrelated note, everyone will have access to the American dream. So that without the connection, the sentence doesn't make any sense. So this is actually a meaning problem. And in the last one we can get rid of pretty easily because it has the word being, which should not be used as a verb. Being is not a verb. Instead, you should say healthcare programs are necessary. So the one that we don't like, the original, is the correct answer.